You, right now, listening to this video, might be winning a large chunk of silver for free. 2 of you actually, so your chances just doubled. All you have to do is click one button: subscribe. Once we hit 100,000 subscribers, I'm going to jump out of an airplane and announce the 2 winners mid-flight with a GoPro attached to my helmet so you could watch it all unfold. I'm going skydiving in celebration of 100,000 subscribers so you can celebrate winning while I'm literally falling out of the sky, hopefully not to my death. Make sure you don't miss it, because this will be a beautifully horrific sight to see.
Connection established.
My friends, welcome to my 100,000 subscriber silver giveaway entry video. There's 3 simple rules to enter, but first I wanted to mention that there are 2 different winners, and I will be announcing both winners' names while I'm in an airplane. And as soon as I say both winners' names, I'm going to jump out of the airplane, and I will have a GoPro attached to my helmet as I fall from the sky. So you will be celebrating winning silver while watching me fall, hopefully not to my death. I hope that this will be a spectacle to see, and hopefully I will earn your subscription for this, because I thought, since 100,000 subscribers is such a serious and monumental milestone, what is the craziest thing I can do? What is the most epic giveaway I can do? And I thought to myself, well, what is the craziest thing people do that I'm terrified of? And I thought, well, skydiving is definitely that. So unfortunately, I had to do a skydiving 100,000 subscriber giveaway video. And now we're here, and this is the way to enter. There are 3 very strict rules that will enable you to enter, and if you break any of these rules, you will be disqualified. Now, rule number 1 is pretty obvious. You gotta be a subscriber. And rule number 2, listen very closely, is how to enter. You have to comment down below in all capitals, hashtag Slayer100K. All one hashtag. So it's hashtag capital SLAYER100K. And the K is capital as well. All capitals, and you could just comment that one word, or you could put that in the comment and comment something else along the lines of I love your channel, how long you've been stacking, whatever you want. You could even just tell me what your favorite food is. It doesn't matter. As long as that hashtag Slayer100K is in your comment, it will be eligible. And the most important rule, where a lot of people unfortunately get disqualified, so it's very important to listen up, it's only 1 entry per person. Now, the software that I use will automatically disqualify you. Your name won't even be entered in the potential winner prize pool if you try to enter more than once. Only 1 entry per person. Those are the 3 rules. Let me say them again. Must be a subscriber. Comment down below, hashtag Slayer100K, capital SLAYER100K, and also only 1 entry per person. May the luckiest stackers win. I also wanted to just show my appreciation by mentioning that these giveaways are the least I can do. Every single one of you is helping my dream come true. I have been working very, very hard to upgrade my channel continuously with the content, with the podcast, with everything. I'm always trying to progress. One of my favorite mottos is progress daily. Every single day, try to do something that one-ups yourself from the previous day, so you're always growing. Even if it's the littlest thing, at least you're 1 step further than you were yesterday. I think that's a great motto to live by. And I'm going to keep trying to bring this channel to new levels, try to bring you guys more informational, educational, and entertaining content. I think this giveaway of me jumping out of an airplane is a great way to start that entertaining side of content, maybe do live streams. I'm going to continue the podcast with Andy Scheckman. And if you guys have any recommendations, well, throw them in the comment section as well. Make sure you put the hashtag in the hashtag to enter in your comment, though, so you're still submitted. And the prizes will be nice. Remember, this is the 100,000 subscriber giveaway, so the prizes are going to be epic, as me jumping out of an airplane is epic. And I also wanted to remind people of past giveaway prizes, which were tubes of eagles, tubes of maples. I've given away a 1 ounce gold coin before. I've given away probably worth $50,000 to $60,000 of silver and gold at this point. Over the past 7 years, I've been doing giveaways. And if you're wondering why the giveaway is 100K or Slayer 100K, that's because I started at 1,000 subscribers, hashtag Slayer 1K. That's how I started. And over the years, it's been Slayer 5K, hashtag Slayer 20K, hashtag, and all the way up to now. And once we get that channel verification badge and that oh so sweet silver play button, that will just be a big staple in the silver stacking community that we are growing stronger than ever. When I started, 100,000 subscribers for a silver stacking channel was non-existent. It was not possible. Literally wasn't. The community was too small. Actually, Salivate Metal, which I'm sure a lot of you are subscribed to, shout out to Sal, great guy. He was the first channel to reach 10,000 subscribers, and we all celebrated like it was 1 million subscribers. Back then, 10,000 subscribers for a silver stacking channel was mind-blowing, and Sal was the first person to do it. So shout out to you, my friend. Highly recommend you guys go subscribe to him. There's some other great channels as well, and like I say, if you're going to subscribe to my channel, support the rest of the community. We are all a team. We're all in this together, and this community saved my life. I try to make the best content possible, even if I could just reach out to one person to convince them, or to at least spread the word of the dollar's true value and silver's true value, to give them that option to do what they want with their money or preserve their wealth. Well, my job is complete. It makes me feel so good when I get emails from people saying they started stacking because of me, because that person has just saved their wealth. They just put all their hard-earned dollars into something that holds its value. As the dollar collapses in purchasing power, the dollar's lost 98% of its purchasing power. We're $34 trillion in debt, throwing billions upon billions overseas, when we do not have any money at all. And as the dollar, this is a whole separate video, just wanted to kind of mention why it's so important for me to make videos like this, because this is exposing the corrupt financial system and helping people preserve their wealth. And that's why I do what I do. And I cannot thank you all enough for supporting the channel. I will make videos forever. I will continue to try to upgrade my content. Maybe that means bringing more guests on, or whatever it is, live streaming, anything I could think of that I think will take my channel or elevate my channel to new levels, I will try to do. As some of you know, I'm writing a book right now, and it's a lot of work. It's probably it won't be done in a month or anything like that. It's a lot of work, not only just writing the book, but researching, as I really want to, this is like my life's work. And not only that, there's publishing, there's going through that entire route of copyright and yada yada. You guys get what I'm saying? It's a lot of work, but I think it will pay off. I will try to get this book published in all major bookstores to spread the word even further about silver's importance and how people can protect their wealth, or give them a chance to. A lot of people don't even know that the dollar's worthless. A lot of people don't even know that they have an option, an alternative to the collapsing dollar. And those are the people I try to target, the ones that don't even know they have a chance, an option. See, if you know that silver is valuable, and you know about the dollar and you choose not to, that's on you. But the ones that don't even have a choice because they don't even know about silver or the potential or the opportunity, gold as well, well, those are the ones that I try to reach because they don't even know that they have a choice. That's the big difference. If you know about silver and you choose not to, that's on you. But I try to spread the word to those who don't even know, and especially expose some of this misinformation or some of the truth. And that's talking on a grand scale, geopolitically, as well as I try to bring more educational awareness of what's happening overseas or the BRICS nations or our censored media within the United States itself. So yeah, I love you all. Make sure you guys subscribe, comment down below, hashtag Slayer100K in all caps, and only one entry per person. You could share this video with friends and family. You could do whatever you want as long as you are sticking within the 3-rule guideline. And this is going to be a sight to see, as once we hit 100,000 subscribers, I will book the flight. I guess that's crazy to say. I'll book the flight. I'll make sure that I got the GoPro attached to my helmet, and I promise this is real. This is legit. I'm really going to do this. I will announce both winners' names, and as soon as I announce the second winner's name, I will jump out of the airplane, falling from the sky. I'm doing this. This is not a joke. It's not a hoax. I'm seriously doing this. It is terrifying, but this is something I'm going to do for personal growth, I think, as well, but also symptomatic to show you guys I'm willing to do anything for this channel. I'm always trying to take things one step ahead of everyone else, right? Like my channel motto is I strive to progress the world of precious metals in a way we've never seen before. And I think this is just one way to do so. And 100,000 subscribers is going to be the greatest achievement of my life. I think before then it was getting on the president's list in college, 4.0 GPA all semesters. I think that was my greatest achievement. But this is going to be harder because this is something I've been busting my butt to do for 7 years now. I started this channel July 4th, 2015, believe it or not. So my channel's birthday is the birthday of the United States. So anyways, yeah, I love you guys. I hope you guys all appreciate my content. And doing giveaways like this is just a token of my appreciation, just to show how much you guys mean to me and how important you all are. Thank you so much. This is Silver Slayer, and I will see you guys on the other side or in the air. Peace.